Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to make Shadowplay record Discord voice chat. For that you need to open Discord and then you just have to log in into your Discord account. After that you need to click on this gear icon in the bottom left hand corner, and then in the left hand section you will have to click on voice and video. Now over here in the input device and in the output device you need to make sure that the devices that you are using is same. So I am using microphone array, so I will select microphone array over here and the similar device in the output. After that you need to open your settings. For that you need to hover over to the search bar in the top, and then you will have to search for sound settings. Now once you are in the sound settings of your device, you just have to scroll down and click on the option of more sound settings. Once done, you are going to see this type of pop-up in front of you, where you will have to make sure that it is check at the device that you are using. In the recording you will also make sure that it is set as a device that you are using, and then you need to press OK. So with the help of these settings you will be able to easily make Shadowplay record Discord voice chat. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.